Hey everybody, it's Sonia the RV DJ, and today we are at the Camping World RV Expo in Lakewood, New Jersey, and we're going to check out what kind of RVs they got. So let's go. So this is a Black Label Grey Wolf made by Forest River. $195, I'm sorry, 19 SMBL. This is also pre-owned. And a bunk on the top. There's your bathroom right when you walk in. Shower. Oh, look. 2022 this is. Grey Wolf Black Label 19 SMBL. $12-volt refrigerator.
So I don't think this has a slide.
Oh no, if you look outside, this whole bed slide comes in.
Oh, this comes in?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
If you go out and look, it's like it goes out that way.
Oh, okay. Well, that would be all right, I guess, because
yeah, the bed slides in towards the kitchen.
oh, okay.
There's another Talara over here now.
Small TV.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that comes in a long way too. Look at how far that comes all the way into here. So,
That's a good 5 feet, I guess.
yeah.
Very cool. And the TV in the bed area.
Excuse me, sir.
This is not bad. Get out of here.
Check it out. I like the does need for some work. It's just got the basic connection.